This is how to make money with Cointiply. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to make money with Cointiply in Nigeria. Cointiply is a very popular website where you can get Bitcoin for free. Suppose you bought $10 of Bitcoin on 29th of April 2015 and you are selling it as of today, this date, you'll be worth over $4,170. That is over 6 million Nigerian naira. But it is never too late. Bitcoin will worth much more in the next 10 years. And the good news is this: you can get it for free on this website. I've already collected over $10 from this website. Let me show you. You can see this is over 51,000 coins that I already withdrew and cash out on this platform, which is over $5 free Bitcoin cash out for me on this platform. And you can see I currently have over 39,000 coins, which is almost $4 of free Bitcoin. This is free money. For me to get the cash out treated very fast, I'll be using Litecoin. You will need to input your Litecoin wallet address. I'll choose my Litecoin wallet address, which is this. You paste here. If you are sure everything is okay, you click withdraw. On checking my exchange, you can see the money is in my account. This is the Litecoin and this is the amount. All you need to do from here is to move the money to your bank account in your country. What do you think? You see, the aim and objective of this platform is to review legitimate websites and apps that will accept and pay Nigerians. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know when I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you 23 apps that earn me dollars on a regular basis in Nigeria. But how do you get free Bitcoin on Cointiply? Let me show you. This is Cointiply, very popular website to earn free Bitcoin every day. You can see the platform has paid out over $12 million in Bitcoin for free. This is the inside of Cointiply. As soon as you sign up, you can use the link below the description of this video. For you to start making money straight away, come to earn. There are different ways to make money on this platform. One of the best ways to make money on this platform is for you to click and watch ads to make money. You can see these are different ads that you click to make money. So many of them. Like this one, it will take you just 10 seconds to earn 9 coins. You just click view, then you click other ones. So many activities that you can do on this platform. Another way to make money is by you taking surveys. There are so many surveys you can do on this platform. For you to have access to all the surveys, you click all. You can use your Android, you can use your iOS, and you can use web to do the surveys to earn free cryptos in Bitcoin. Look at all of them. This is 255 points, 510 points, this over 1,000 points, this over 10,000 points. There are third-party companies like CPX Research. They have a lot of tasks for Nigerians in terms of surveys. This is another good one, BitLabs. You can get a lot of surveys to do on this platform too. All you need to do is to click here. It will take you to their website and you start taking surveys and you get the reward on Cointiply. The same thing, this one, Time War. These are third-party companies that you can easily work with on Cointiply. You'll be able to do and have access to different surveys. So many of them. You can easily transform your time to free cryptos every day. Another great way to make money on this platform is for you to download apps and games to make money. These are different games that you can play to earn points that you can easily change and convert to Bitcoin on this platform. Look at them. There are so many. All you need to do is to put your time to use. Another easy thing that you can do to make money fast is for you to watch videos on this platform to make money. There are so many videos that you can watch to earn free Bitcoin on this platform. The availability of videos you can watch depends on your country, but when you check often, you'll be able to see videos to watch to earn free Bitcoin. Another thing you can do on this platform to make money is for you to share your link. That is inviting your friends and family members to this platform. When you do that, this platform will reward you 25% of any amount your friends earn. It's a gift from this platform. You just come to your profile page, you just copy your link and share it to your friends and family members. Another thing you can do is to earn interest on your earnings. That is, every money you make, if you leave it and you decide not to withdraw or cash out, you can earn 5% on it, or you can deposit money on this platform to earn 5% of that amount. You can see this is my current balance, over 39,000 points, which is almost $4. I can decide to earn interest on this money now by clicking earn interest, and you can deposit Bitcoin to earn interest on this platform. And you can play this game, multiplier game. It's a game of chance. You'll be able to stake your own cryptos to win in these multiplier games. If you are good in playing games, you will just decide the amount of your tokens out of the money you've earned or the one you deposited. You just decide the one you can stake for this game. You can learn more on how to play Cointiply multiplier games. You can also earn more cryptos in Bitcoin by taking part in daily free spin. All you need to do is to log in daily and participate in daily spin. You just click spin and win. You spin and win. Look at it. You won 12 coins. So you do this every day and you get additional coin that will increase your free Bitcoin every day. So this is how you continue to spin for free. If you are lucky, you can earn these points. You come back in an hour's time. You've seen different ways to earn money on this platform, but how do you collect your money and cash out your cash from Cointiply? You come to the menu, you click here, you scroll down, look at it, activities and payment. You click activities and payment. Here you can view your earning history. You click withdraw coins. You'll be able to see your coin balance. 10,000 Cointiply coin is equal to $1. This is the interest I've earned. You can see these are different withdrawal options that you have. You can withdraw directly to your Bitcoin wallet. You can withdraw to your Doge wallet. You can withdraw to your Dash wallet, and you can withdraw to your Litecoin wallet. So if you are withdrawing to Bitcoin, you click Bitcoin wallet. This is the amount. This is my Bitcoin wallet, and you click withdraw. If you are withdrawing to Bitcoin wallet, you must have 50,000 coins, but you can see I only have 39,000 points. You must have 39,000 coins to use Doge wallet. Dash coin wallet, you must also have 39 points before you can withdraw. For Litecoin, you must also have 30,000 points to withdraw Litecoin from Cointiply. So those are different options that you have, but it's very straightforward to withdraw. For you to withdraw, you just go to your exchange to go and copy your wallet address, paste it here, and you click withdraw. You now know how to use Cointiply and earn free Bitcoin in this Cointiply full tutorial. All you need to do is to sign up. You can use the link below the description of this video to start getting free Bitcoin just by playing games, watching videos, clicking ads, and downloading apps. Thank you. You now know how to get free cryptos on Cointiply. You need to put this knowledge into action. Sign up and start doing those simple tasks and you get free Bitcoin. You can keep those cryptos in your wallet or on any exchange of your choice. You will see the links to my recommended exchanges below the description of this video. When you sign up, be expect to get over $500 as you trade or keep your cryptos to earn more money. This will work for you irrespective of your country. You see, for you to make more money in Nigeria, you need to work with multiple apps and websites. This is one reason I've collated over 23 apps that's been working for me all the time. I earn in dollars on a regular basis with these apps. This is why you need to watch the next video. You will see the best apps towards the end of that video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.